What's up, everyone? So today I wasn't even planning on making a food video. I was just driving around, kind of just cruising, enjoying the day. You know how sometimes the best food finds are completely accidental? Well, that's exactly what happened. I'm rolling through Lakeview and I passed this little spot called Southport Taqueria. I seen the sign a few times before and kept telling myself I'd stop in. This time I actually pulled over and went for it. I walk in, order a burrito, keeping it simple, and then they bring this out. Warm salsa. Not just salsa, complimentary warm salsa. First of all, complimentary, we already love that. But warm salsa, that's different. I dipped the chip in, and I'm not exaggerating, it was incredible. It had that roasted tomato depth, a little smokiness, a little texture, and just the right amount of heat. It completely changes the salsa experience. That's what I love about neighborhood spots like this. You're not just getting food, you're getting details. Someone in that kitchen decided warm salsa was the move, and they were absolutely right. It reminded me that sometimes the simplest things, like salsa, can steal the show. So of course, I had to try to make a quick version at home. If you want to recreate something similar, here's a super simple warm salsa you can throw together. I've got my cast iron ripping hot, and we're going straight in with whole ingredients. Nothing fancy, just real flavor. I like to bless the pan with a little bit of olive oil, totally optional. In go the tomatoes, jalapeno, garlic, onion. Listen to that sizzle. That's exactly what you want. We're not cooking these gently, we're blistering them. Let them sit, let them char, don't rush it. That deep smoky flavor comes from a good hard sear. You'll see the skin start to blacken and bubble. That's perfect. Rotate everything as it cooks so you get an even char on all sides. The garlic will soften, the onions will sweeten, and those jalapenos will mellow out while still keeping a nice kick. Once everything is nicely blistered, we're moving over to the molcajete. This is where it all comes together. Start with the garlic and a pinch of salt and pepper. Use that as your base and grind it into a paste. Then add the jalapenos and onions and start breaking those down. You can already smell how smoky it's getting. Now in go the tomato. We're not making it perfectly smooth. We want some texture. Smash and press and mix until just how you like it. Now for some brightness. Fresh cilantro goes in. Adjust your lemon, salt, and pepper. Give it one last mix. And that's it. Warm, smoky, fresh salsa right out the molcajete. This isn't the kind of salsa you let sit in the fridge. You serve this right now while it's still warm, when all those flavors are alive. That right there, that's next level salsa. Give it a try.
La cucaracha ya no quiere caminar.